this was meant to be Louise's bedroom, and I like that they keep the furniture old-fashioned, kind of in those time. And this was her husband's, George's, bedroom, and back then husband and wife have separate rooms. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're taking a trip to Boldt Castle and Boldt Castle Yacht House on Art Island off Alexandria Bay. The unique thing about Boldt Castle is that it can never be 100% completed. There's always construction because Mr. Boldt bought this for his lovely wife Louise, and she died before it was completed. He sold it under one condition: it can never be 100% completed. So it's an unfinished castle.
We gotta keep our mask on the whole time on the boat?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
I said we gotta keep our mask on the whole time on the boat?
Oh, okay, thank you. Okay. So we are leaving Alexandria Bay to Art Island on Uncle Sam boat tour. This generally takes 5 to 10 minutes, just depends on the wave and everything. There's another option. You can actually do a tour of the Thousand Island before going there, and that's a very unique tour because you get to see different parts of Canada when you're on that tour. And there's this one house that I really love because part of it is in Canada and part of it is in the US. Very nice. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. I can do that tour next year if you'd like to see that. And it's really cool. Your cell phone keeps saying welcome to the US, then in a minute it says welcome to Canada, welcome to the US, welcome to Canada. And I find that really funny. So that's the yacht house, and that's the main castle that you can hardly see, but we'll get back to that. So this is the yacht house. Once we get off the boat, we'll take a better look around and just show you everything. And here we are approaching Art Island. So beautiful. Look at the castle from the boat. So this island was not originally shaped in a heart. After Mr. Boldt bought this island, he paid a large sum of money to get it to shape like an art for his wife Louisa. That is so romantic. Aww. If you're planning on visiting this island, no, it's a $10 fee to get on if you didn't pay that before on your boat tour. I would recommend just paying for everything at once. Guys, it is very windy on the island today. It is a beautiful day, but it is so windy. So I'm just going to turn the volume off and put some music on and just enjoy the music and the tour. Sorry, I'm not able to just talk you through this, but you could still enjoy the beauty of Art Island. I'm just going to go ahead now and put some music on. Enjoy.
Like a captive, I want you. Used to pay
You lost something? For those who want to touch, do not touch. That's so sweet.
Check out the east floor at the top.
Simone, let's go downstairs. I was gonna go. Where is now? Down here. Why are we in the dungeon? I'm not a bad person. Why am I been? Even though the sign says do not write on the wall.
People were signing their names and stuff, I guess, tagging that down here. And the keys that way.
Maybe you can try and go that way. You want to go down?
Hope you enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button below. Thank you for watching. Have a good week. Bye.